Tired of dust getting everywhere in your workspace? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, Dust Stopper Pro. First up is the Dust Stopper Pro. This low-profile dust separator caught my eye with its award-winning design and a price tag of just $59.98. If you want a clean workspace without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Dust Stopper Pro is engineered for maximum dust separation, which means it captures 99% of dust before it even reaches your vacuum. It's designed to fit standard 5-gallon buckets, so you don't need to buy special containers. The anti-static resin prevents dust from sticking, making cleaning easier. Plus, it saves you money on expensive filters and vacuum bags. Over 1,000 people have bought this in the past month, indicating that it's a popular choice. Now, some people complained that it can be tricky to align perfectly with the bucket. Here's the thing though, once you get it set up right, it works like a charm. It's not a deal breaker for most, especially if you value effective dust separation. This is perfect for DIY enthusiasts or small workshop owners who want a cleaner environment without a hefty investment. Skip this one if you need something super portable, as it's designed more for stationary use. Now, if the dust stopper's setup process bothered you, the next one might be just what you need.
Product number 2, WEN 3410 Air Filtration System. List is the WEN 3410 Air Filtration System. Priced at $114.70, this remote-controlled unit is designed for those who want clean air without the hassle. If you want a dust extractor that you can control from across the room, this is a solid option. The WEN system features a 1-micron filter and a 5-micron pre-filter, which means it effectively captures small particles. With airflow options of 300, 350, and 400 CFM, it can cover rooms up to 400 square feet. Its programmable timer is a nice touch, automatically shutting off after a set time, which means you can set it and forget it. This unit has received over 600 purchases recently, indicating its popularity. Now, some users mention that it can be a bit noisy at 50 to 60 decibels. Here's the thing though, it's a trade-off for the power you get. If you're using it in a larger workshop, you might not even notice it. This is perfect for anyone looking to maintain air quality in a medium-sized workspace. Skip this one if you're sensitive to noise or require a quieter operation. Alright, that was a great option, but if you want serious power, the next product might be even better.
Product number 3, dewalt Dust Separator. Our third pick is the dewalt Dust Separator, priced at $104.99. This one's designed for those who want high efficiency without the bulk. If you want a portable solution that can handle various materials, this is worth your attention. This dust separator captures 99.5% of dust, which means you save on filter replacements and maintains strong suction. It works with a variety of materials, from wood chips to concrete dust. Its 6-gallon poly tank is durable and easy to empty, which is a huge plus for busy workshops. With over 400 units sold recently, it's clear that many people trust this product. Some complaints mention that it can be difficult to transport due to its size. But here's the thing, once it's in place, the stability and efficiency make it worth it. If you're moving it around a lot, that might be a downside for you. This is perfect for contractors or serious DIYers who need a reliable, high-performance dust separator. Skip this one if you have limited space or need something ultra-portable. Now, if the size of the dewalt bothered you, check out what's next.
Product number 4 is the WEN 5.7 amp Dust Collector. Coming in at number 4 is the WEN Woodworking Dust Collector, priced at $126.35. This is aimed at those who want a powerful dust collector for their woodworking needs. If you want a strong airflow to keep your workspace clean, this one's worth considering. Its 5.7 amp motor moves up to 660 CFM, which is impressive for a unit of this size. The 12-gallon bag means you won't be emptying it constantly, and it has a compact design with lockable swivel coasters for easy movement. Over 200 units sold in the recent past shows it's gaining traction. Now, some users found the assembly a bit tricky, but here's the thing. Once you get it together, it offers fantastic performance. If you're not comfortable with some assembly, this could be a hurdle. This is perfect for woodworkers who need strong suction without sacrificing space. Skip this one if you prefer something ready to use right out of the box. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list is a premium choice for serious power.
Product number 5. Bosch VAC090AH Dust Extractor. We have the Bosch VAC090AH, priced at $539.10. This is a top-tier portable dust extractor that's not for the faint-hearted. If you want maximum filtration and performance, this is the one to beat. With its HEPA filter, it captures 99.97% of particles at 0.3 microns or larger, making it OSHA compliant for silica dust. The auto filter cleaning feature means you won't lose suction power over time, cleaning the filter every 15 seconds. It's also compatible with power tools for automatic activation. Over 100 units sold recently shows that professionals trust this product. Now, the price point may seem steep to some. Here's the thing, if you're serious about dust control, the investment pays off in both health and efficiency. If you're on a budget or just need something for occasional use, this might not be the right fit. This is perfect for contractors and professionals who need a reliable, high-performance extractor. Skip this one if you're a hobbyist looking for something less expensive.
So to recap, we've got the Duststopper Pro for budget-friendly efficiency, the Wen 3410 for remote convenience, the dewalt separator for versatile applications, the Wen dust collector for woodworking power, and the Bosch VAC090AH for top-tier filtration.